friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I did a small video. So wasting our time, let's start video. Okay, today I'm super excited because I just received my first order from Nykaa. So let's open together. Here the box. I want to share with you guys what I ordered from Nykaa. The box I already opened and packing looks very good. So let's remove this. Oh, this one from Nykaa, face wash for sensitive skin. Oh, smell like good. Favorite, my ever favorite body wash, Dove body wash. It gives you 24 hours moisturized skin and in monsoon weather means go for this. I have Maybelline mascara. Maybelline means I like this brand. Maybelline Kajal, Maybelline mascara. Already I don't have that much eyelashes, so if I use this anytime means keep volume also. That's good. If anyone have some confusion like which mascara I am using for volumize and thickness means just go for this Maybelline mascara. That one's better. This is last. I'm not too much using lipstick and all, but like when I check in Nykaa means I just like this 2-in-1 in red set lipstick and then lip gel also. I will show you the set. And here this one also matte lipstick, and this is all newly first time I'm ordering from Nykaa. And this one is blusher shade also. Highlighter also, you can use in highlighter and blushing also, so like this. Okay, it's just I think gel type. Okay. Oh, it look nice. It's too dark shade. I'm not using that much dark side and all, but whatever I'm doing one means I like this. Lipstick videos like the shade and all and skin tone and all everything means I will share with you soon, guys. So that's it. Overall, I'm very impressed with the packaging and the delivery at correct time. So thank you, Nykaa. So okay, let's see how is this all. Then after then, later we will try to order some more things also, and I will share with you guys. Then this much for today. Then if you have any doubts, any questions, if you want to ask me, you can comment. Then please subscribe my channel also, and then like videos and click on the notification button also, so if I upload new videos means you can you can get easily. Bye bye, see you soon, take care.